Hi, I'm Lauren. I'm a senior studying biology, and I'll be working on representing the Delftia Hub today. So we're trying to create a suite of open access, engaging resources for the public to use to participate in a variety of experiments and try to get them involved in authentic research. I'm just drawing a computer. And then using the computer, we achieve all of those things that I said earlier. So it's kind of like exploding from the computer, for lack of better rendition. We've been using citizen science in the past to try to investigate this environmental bacteria that can actually biomineralize gold. So it can take toxic gold ions that are dissolved in solution and precipitate them into gold nanoparticles. So we wanted to investigate whether novel soil bacteria with unique survival strategies would be an ideal subject for science communication, information dissemination, and just trying to exemplify an open access system of researching a new organism. So up here in the top corner, we're looking at, this is actually the peptide that it uses to biomineralize gold. So we've created an online narrative that lets students go through metagenomic samples and identify Delftia, and also look at the differences in the gold gene to try to see if there are more efficient isoforms that would be good for this gold precipitation process that we could take advantage of. And then one of the applications of the gold precipitation is e-waste recycling. So every year we discard, I think it's like 500 million tons of electronics, and only 12% are properly recycled. So current methods are really energy intensive and just not widespreadly used. Often it's just transported to other countries and dumped there, and a lot of toxic molecules leach into the soil and damage those surrounding communities. So Delftia actually has, could pull the gold out of these electronics and could be part of an efficient and sustainable way to recycle this massive amount of e-waste that we produce every year. And then to get students involved in research literature and specifically improve their literacy skills, we use Hypothesis to look at literature online and collaboratively annotate. So we actually create like a second screen over the paper, and we have conversations about that. We do knowledge finding. Some of our students post some illustrations that they've made to explain some of the concepts that they've learned. So it's a really cool way to kind of join everybody together and create a collective hive mind to learn a little bit more about Delftia. And then we use a blog to kind of summarize our findings and incorporate those graphics and other media that our students have made. And we post it on the blog for those who aren't interested in participating to at least come in and join us and learn a little bit about what we're doing in an easy way. We use narrative style content to make it approachable. And yeah, so that's my project.